Have you ever seen a banyan tree with its roots hanging down and touching the ground? Or a colorful bird diving into the water? Nature is full of amazing plants, animals, and insects. Let's go on an exciting nature trail in Panchamri with our guide Abha Didi to explore them. Before we begin, here are a few rules that you must follow. Please be careful in a new place. Please do not tease animals. Please do not feed animals. Please do not damage trees and flowers. Please do not bring pets, firearms, or any kind of weapons. Please do not bring polythene bags. Please do not damage public utilities. Please do not throw any garbage in the forest. Let's start exploring. The creature that you are seeing on the tree branch is the Indian giant squirrel, a large, red-colored squirrel that is found in Pachmadi and other places. Next, we will head towards the pond. The animal you are now seeing is gaur, a type of wild cow. A gaur looks like a buffalo but is stronger with shorter horns. Can you think of some other animals who might come to the pool to drink water? It could be a tiger, a monkey, a lion, and many more. You can identify them based on the footprints they leave behind. The animal you see below is munching on grass. It is called a rabbit. Let's explore some birds. The bird you see sitting on the tree branch is a hornbill. It is known for its headgear growing out of its forehead like a horn. Did you know that peacock, a colorful bird, is our national animal? Can you name a bird that stays awake throughout the night? Owls stay active through the night and have a sharp eyesight to see at night. Birds have beaks and claws to help them eat and do other tasks. By observing a bird's beak and claws, one can guess its eating habits. For example, eagles have sharp, curved beaks and claws to catch prey. Sunbirds have long beaks to drink nectar from flowers. Now, let's dive in and learn about water animals. Animals that live in water have special features to help them survive. Fish have fins to swim. Gharials, a type of crocodile, have long, narrow snouts to catch fish. Turtles have strong shells to stay safe and webbed feet to swim. Frogs can live both on land and in water. Now we will study some tiny animals. The grasshopper is an insect with 3 pairs of legs, antennae to sense its surroundings, and sometimes 2 pairs of wings, like flies and grasshoppers. Many insects can be found in the forest, such as ants, beetles, bees, flies, praying mantises, and butterflies. The forest has a great variety of animals, each with unique features. Have you ever observed the various shapes and patterns of leaves? Leaves are round, long, or triangular. Their colors range from light green and dark green to yellow, red, and purple. The margins of the leaves vary too, some are straight, while others are uneven or saw-like. So, in our adventure, we discovered various animals, insects, birds, and the different properties of leaves. We hope that you have understood the topic. You can now study chapter notes, watch video lectures, and solve MCQ tests of this chapter on EduRev to ensure you score well in your school exams. And that's not all, you also get amazing courses for maths, science, English, Hindi, and much more for class 4. Thank you.